does a good story for your personal brand need? Some of the elements that any story should have are beginning, middle, and ending. This is the basic structure in any story. In the beginning, you present the characters and the context, like the time and the setting. In the middle, you present the main conflict, the obstacles that need to be overcome, and any problem and the process to solve them. The ending shows the conclusion, how everything was finally solved, and what was the takeaway from the experience. There is no story without conflict. It is what makes your audience be invested in the tale. The conflict is the starting point of any resolution, and it tells us what is the problem that needs to be addressed, the obstacles we need to surpass, or the situation that needs to change. A strategic part of crafting a story that is meant to support a brand is asking, what do I want people to take away from this? The core message is the answer to that. When talking about a personal brand, these are some of the things someone might want to communicate. These are my values. This is how I work. This is how I think. This is where I come from. This is what I believe in. When speaking of tone, we refer not to what you are saying, but how you are saying it. The vocabulary, the cadence, the feeling or emotion are all part of the delivery of any story. There is a difference in how you tell an uplifting and inspirational story and how you tell a sad story. The characters move and influence the events of the story. They are the ones that make it human, which is vital to form the connection we want with the audience. Of course, in a story for your personal brand, one of the main characters has to be no one other than yourself.